Everyone, today we team English innovators from the school EPS IGN Nagar are going to present our model that is generating electricity from dry and vegetable waste. This project aims to reduce the pollution caused by dry and vegetable waste and converting it into a source of renewable energy. So our group members are I Sarthak,
I Aditya.
I Swaru, and two more group members that are Shreyash and Dishan.
So the problem is large amount of vegetable waste and dry waste is generated in markets and homes and many public places. So it is dumped in landfills which are empty and it causes land pollution. So we have make a solution upon the problem. So this is a generating electricity by vegetable waste and dry waste. In this there are two parts. In the first part, the vegetable waste will be used for making electricity, and in second part, the dry waste will be used in making electricity. First, vegetable juice will go in 3 containers. Then the electrons will be collected by the aluminium and copper plate, and it will transfer to diode, and diode will transfer the current to capacitors. Then after capacitor, it will goes to module, and it will store the charge in the battery. In second part, we will burn some dry waste, and the heat generated by burning the waste will be absorbed by the panels, which is called heat solar panel. It will transfer the energy to capacitor and then to battery to store it. Capacitor will have some energy to store it. The air canal is going to carbon filters. Here there will be a suction cup. It will suck the air and pass through carbon filters. It will filter the air and collect the carbon. And like this our project works.
This waste module does not only help in generating electricity but also reduces land pollution and helps in conservation of the energy.
So, in the end of our presentation, I conclude that how science, technology and innovation can help and sustainable our life. So, I am proud to announce our project of generating electricity from vegetable and dry waste. Thank you.
Due to Diwali breaks, our school was closed and we can't make the model. So this our paperwork is ready.